Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will show you how to install ROS2 Humble on the AMD Kria KR260 Robotics Starter Kit and run the TurtleSim Demo. So, let's get started. If you are starting with robotics development on Kria, installing ROS2 is one of the first and most important steps. So, for this tutorial, we are using AMD's Kria KR260 Robotics Starter Kit. In our previous videos, we have seen its unboxing, setup guide, and some FPGA hardware-accelerated object detection projects. You can refer those for more details. Okay, let's go to our GitHub repository. Here, everything we are going to do in this video is also documented in detail, like hardware-software information, documentation, and important links. And here is the folder where you get step-by-step guide of ROS2 Humble setup. As they said here, this repository provides a simple guide and script to install ROS2 Humble on the AMD's KR260 Robotics Starter Kit and verify the installation using the TurtleSim Demo. So as we know, hardware for this project is AMD Kria KR260 Robotics Starter Kit, installed with Ubuntu 22.04 operating system. So here, the repository structure is given to locate the installation script, which you will find in Scripts folder. Okay, let's start. First step is cloning the repository. First we need to clone the tutorial repository that contains the installation script. Open a terminal on the KR260 board and run git clone command given here to clone the repository into your system. Let me show you that downloaded repository. Okay, here is the one. You can see. Next step is preparing the KR260 environment. So, before installing ROS2, we need to activate the pink environment used by Kria. Let's run these commands. First, let's switch the user to superuser. Then, activate the separate Python environment for pink. After this step, you should see the terminal prompt change to pink env. This means the Kria environment is ready. Next step is the actual ROS2 installation step. Here we will run the installation script included in the repository. First, you have to move into that folder. You can see, script is listed there. Then, make the script executable. And finally, run the installation script. This script will automatically configure system locale, add the ROS2 repository, install ROS2 Humble, install development tools, and install TurtleSim for testing. So, please note, the installation usually takes 20 to 40 minutes depending on your internet speed. Please note, during the ROS2 installation, you may need to provide occasional manual inputs in the terminal, such as confirming prompts by pressing Y for yes, or hitting enter to continue. Please note, to save you some time, we're fast-forwarding the video through this installation part. But in reality, this process took almost 30 minutes. Once installation is complete, we need to verify that ROS2 is properly installed. For that, you can run help command. But before that, we have to load the ROS2 environment. Let's see. For that, we have to run this source command, like this. Now, as we are in ROS2 environment, we can run ROS help command. Like this. And if everything is correct, you should see a list of ROS2 commands. This confirms that ROS2 is installed correctly. Next and final step is running the demo. Let's run the classic ROS demo, which is the TurtleSim. With the first command, we will start the simulator. A window should appear with a turtle in the middle. This is ROS2 TurtleSim node command. You can see, the cute little turtle has appeared. How cool is that, isn't it? Now let's see how to simulate it. Let me first arrange these windows, as we are going to open one more terminal, and we also need this first terminal to see the logs. So, this is our simulation window. Now, next, as they said here, open another terminal and run this another application, which is Turtle Teleoperation Keys program. Let's do that. So this is first terminal. Let's go ahead and open another terminal. Let me arrange its position properly. Okay, now let's run this command in newly opened terminal. Like this. Oh, bummer. It says ROS2 command not found. Why is that? Any guess? We have to first manually load the ROS2 environment in this terminal, right? We have also given that troubleshooting step in our guide. So, if you get errors like ROS2 command not found, load the ROS environment manually. Let's do that. First, like we did earlier, let's become super user. Then, execute that source command to load the ROS environment. Like this. Okay, now as ROS environment has been loaded successfully, let's copy and run the ROS command for TurtleSim teleoperation keys. And there you go. You can see, ROS2 TurtleSim teleoperation mode is enabled. And we got instructions here in terminal to move the turtle. Like, use arrow keys to move the turtle and these other keys to rotate it. Now here is the moment we are waiting for. The demo part. Let's try to move the turtle using arrow keys. And voila! This is cool. If the turtle moves, it confirms that your ROS2 installation is working perfectly. Here's the cool part. While in simulation, when you move the turtle, suppose you accidentally hit the window wall. Its status is shown here in this terminal with the XY coordinates. Like this. This is cool, isn't it? Now let me show you demo of rotation. Let's use these rotation keys to rotate the turtle to absolute orientations. Like this. In terminal, you can see it says rotation goal completed successfully. The TurtleSim Demo is considered the flagship tutorial for ROS2 because it provides a lightweight, visual environment to learn the fundamental concepts of the robot operating system without needing physical hardware or a complex 3D simulator like Gazebo. So, in this way, we have successfully installed ROS2 Humble, verified the installation, and run the TurtleSim demo on the KR260 board. In our upcoming videos, we will explore camera nodes, robot perception, and hardware acceleration using Kria. Please stay tuned. Thank you.